Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term Yart. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, Yart is a slang term used online to express excitement or approval. People use it when they want to hype up a moment or show enthusiasm. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Yart first showed up in online gaming communities around the early 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young internet users and gamers. Now let's check out how to use Yart in a sentence. Correct example 1. She was so hyped about the concert and kept saying Yart all night. Correct example 2. I aced that game level yesterday. Yart. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Yart at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Yart right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Yart means a slang term used online to express excitement or approval. It started in online gaming communities around the early 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Yart in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.